100 years back, people used to live with the barter system. They used to exchange the things to live or survive their life. I hope you all are doing amazing in your lives and learning and growing. I have brought a topic which is why adaptability is most important in our lives. So I found adaptability what is very important in humans' life. We have come across lots of things in our lives which every now and then we feel quite new to us. We feel quite surprised having these new features, having the new facilities or new things in our lives. But every now and then, very happily, with enthusiasm, we love to embrace this all the new things to make our life flexible and easier. So, why adaptability is most important? Everyone has this caliber, this capacity, or this tendency to adopt new features. That is why all people are curious to know more and more about the lives, about education, about technology, about new things, whatever they stumble upon. They have a hungerness, they have a big curious to know what next. So this hungerness and this caliber of adaptability is making people's life more easier, and it's making literally full of enthusiasm, full of engaging, full of flexibility. This word is literally very powerful for human being. I love to go 100 years back, how people used to live and how people are living now due to that adaptability only. 100 years back, people used to live with the barter system. They used to exchange the things to live or survive their life. They did not have idea we can buy something using money. Even they did not have money. They did not have idea about money. And they did not know what is money exact. But over the time, they started getting know about money and money's power, and slowly and gradually they started using this money. They started adopting this new feature of life, which is using money. Second thing is education. People also started adopting education and started knowing lots of things and made their self educated and knowledgeable. That's how the adaptability started. Can you be imagine how far we have reached just because of adopting new features, new things in our life? Do you think if we did not have these features of adaptability in our lives or in ourselves, then maybe we would not be here and we could not be achieved so far, whatever we have achieved now? This kind of lifestyle also would not be there. I love to give you one beautiful example of my grandmother. My grandmother is 90 years old and she uses smartphone. She uses Facebook as well. Can you imagine, until she was 70 years old, she did not have idea about the smartphone, even a simple phone. But over the time, demand of the time, she adopted these features as well within her. She started updating herself. She adopted this new thing as well. So people have to adopt new things, new features over the time to make their life quite easier, flexible, and comfortable in this new generation. So as we are here today, you are working on our communication skill. This is also demand of this generation. That is why we all are here to updating ourselves to make ourselves comfortable in upcoming generation. So now which country we are having, can you imagine after 50 years how life will be? And how many things we are going to adopt willingly, because people have this tendency to adopt everything full of enthusiasm and a will to know and get or add this feature in their lives. So this is the life of people adding new features and make their life valuable, easier, comfortable, and flexible in this new generation. So this is short thoughts of mine. I hope you also feel the same way. That was simple thought of mine about adaptability. So I also want to know from you, what do you think exact about adaptability? Thank you so much, all of you.